Dragonflies are insects with two pairs of long, narrow wings. Its wings are attached to the thorax, the insect's middle part. This female is dropping one egg at a time into the water. Dragonflies are called nymphs after they hatch. During this stage of their lives, they live in the water. They go through incomplete metamorphosis to become adult dragonflies. This means they do not have a pupa stage during their metamorphosis, but go through several nymph stages. At the end of their final stage, the nymph of the dragonfly climbs out of the water onto a rock or a plant stalk. The nymph changes into an adult when it splits out of its larval skin. This is a difficult process. It takes a lot of time and energy for a dragonfly to transform from a nymph to an adult. This is also a dangerous time for the dragonfly. It could become dinner for a hungry predator such as a frog or a bird. Both the nymph and the adult dragonfly are predators themselves.